Oh, hi there. I am so glad you're here. We are standing on over 5 acres in Amboy, Washington. This property is so stunning, you won't want to miss a single detail of it. Here in the Paradise Heights neighborhood, the views are simply breathtaking. I'm standing on the balcony in the upstairs master suite where there are views from every single window. This over 6,300 square foot home has 3 levels with 8 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, all the amenities. It's perfect for multi-generational living. Multi-generational homes are becoming more common with 2, even 3 generations living under one roof. If you have your children and grandchildren living with you, or even your in-laws, this house would be ideal for many people living together. Indulge in the spacious heated indoor pool and enjoy acres and acres of privacy. For more information, please check out this listing on mollylang.com.